Alright guys, welcome to the Active Directory courses at my YouTube channel, and this playlist will be really cool for you and for me exactly. So we are going to be learning here Active Directory, and with all the things we have 5 machines for Active Directory, and there's too many computer and services running on the server. So we are going to be learning here Active Directory with actually what is detailed. So the firstly is we have to be understanding what is Active Directory and what will be our to step is here recon, breach, enumerate, exploit, lateral movement, and privilege escalation here. And there's I try to be drawing for you to diagram. So we are in here, but we have no address and we have no access for admin pool is here. The first of all we are gonna be accessing here DC, then we are available to be get here the admin with lateral movement and privilege escalation here. It's absolutely is the most important things for Active Directory. You have to start your recon will be so detailed. So if you are actually start your recon with detailed, and if you focus at that, so you get really cool and really injectable things you can find it on your recon, so you have to be doing it so good. So as the first thing you have to be start on your recon is definitely is mmap scan. So we are available to be get here the mmap scan. There's two ports we found here. The first one is 80 port, it's open here, is for HTTP, is working on there. And the second one is really cool Active Directory. I think it's for us. A protocol is MSSQL. I love MSSQL. It's really injectable for me. I really love it. So we can try to be get it here and try to be enumerating with you. So if you're ready, let's get started fastly. So first of all, after the mmap scan, we are available to be get here or result with as 80 and is 1433. Is important things is you have to be looking for is the first one is 80 port is over there, so you have to be selected it, so it will be important for us. And second one is over here, as absolutely you have to be focused on your MSSQL is giving us here DNS domain name, as for example is giving here internet poo is over there, you can try to be looking for that. And another name is computer name is compatibility internet.poo is over there. You can say it's like that. So it's really important. So another temax here, you can try the NS3 name is internet poo, and you're available to be get here so with your MSSQL. So it will be important for us for future. So let's select it and color it with red and continue. So we have here the HTTP, so we can try here fuzzing for directory if you want. So we can try here GoBuster, -u, and I'm sure you all know what is GoBuster, FireXbuster, FFUF, or the VFuse or something like that. Is it 11? Yes, okay. So we're gonna be using here -v. So it's forward list, we're going to be selected, user, share, and word list, sac list. We can try discovery here, yes. Let's try to be go web content, draft will be injectable. Left, we can try left large words, lowercase.txt. So let's try to be give it. It's already found here some directory, and its return on status is 301. So we can try to be looking for his admin page. Alright, so let me ask his username and password. So it's really cool. There is more uploads and developer. We can try to be go. Developer is actually, I think we're gonna be asking us. Isn't that found? Oh, it's developer, just D we have to be give here. As forbidden access is here, so it's really cool. Can try uploads again here, forbidden, yes. Alright, so we have to be looking for another is meta and command, for example. This could be important, for example. So you have to try to be look for. Let me try to be give here, and it's forbidden access is deleted here again. So maybe we have to be just waiting for, and it's already is giving us here is that, and its return as status is 200. So we can try to be go, and it's back on to here as which one is equal to, the domain is over here. So it's actually back for us for here to be domain name, so you can injectable here. So it's return as the home page and dashboard, right? What you want to see. So is there something different we can do for to recon? So let me try to be look. Maybe we can try to be add the and maybe it will be showing us. All right, okay, so it's finding another directory here is ds store. So okay, I'm looking for is untitled ds store we found here. So we can try to be get it here, cp hub, Elliot downloads, and untitled ds store. Yes, I want to be copy here and try to be cat, and we see dash l for it's 5 untitled. Okay, so it's 5 column here, so we can try to be read it. So important, but there's another characteristic, that's what we cannot exactly it's accessible to be reading. So what was it for? The folder, something like that we can try to be seeing here. All right, it's cool. So what we can try right now, so can we looking for ds enumeration. So ds, so we can try to pick a Google here, ds store, enumeration. Okay, so should we try to be understanding what is the store? So we have to be changed with English. Is something different we can find is in the Apple macOS operating system is ds store file storage custom. Maybe it's not important, I don't know. The store enumeration is showing us ds walk here, so it's for what? The Python tool is enumerating directories and files on web services contain public ds store file. Uses Python ds store processes created by Gals or something like that. I don't know what's saying. So should we go for this? So it's with sponsor. Okay, it's actually useful. Yes. So paid Python this top fun here. So we can try to be at this on our cd, go back and pull here. So git clone. Great. So can we go? So which one should we for? Do we have to be go samples, or we can try Python 3 and ds store, or cat ds store. All right, it's for enumerating. Should we use it? Or should we use a main.python? Python 3 and main.python, and DS store file we have to be given here. Okay, so if I'm trying to be given here the Python this store with -u, I mean, can we give it here directly, or okay, HTTP we have to be at, I think. Can we give it? No. So does it not look like it's full? The store enumeration. So this one may be useful. I don't know. Alright, so ds-scanner.python -url URL and log file. So if you have no log file here, so what we can do, enumeration, maybe we have to be given enumeration. So this one is DC walk. So it's working with to -u and -url. So is it gonna be important maybe? So let me try to go back and git clone. Let me try to give it cd DC walk. Python 3 DC walk, can we run it here? Okay, so it's recurrent here -u or -url. So -u, and we can try to be give it here maybe. Is it gonna be doing something? And yes, okay, so it's available to funding here, important directory, I think, for us. So I think it's really cool. So we are available to be get here as finish your traversing no reminder ds store files present, and cleaning up and ds store files save it to disk. So is there something save it? I don't think so. So let me try to be looking for one more time to, is there, okay, so what we have to be do, so we find here is normal things is like admin, ISS start, with config and developer file. Maybe this one will be injectable or important for us. I don't know. So anyway, let's try to be add this on our notes. Maybe is it gonna be important maybe for us? I don't know right now. So there is maybe important here. So let me try to be give it to a different color. So it will be go for red, and is there is an upload with config and custom default, and there's something different things we find here, I think. So maybe has to be try here these IP addresses. Core is forbidden access we found. Or we can try to go for database and forbidden access again. Maybe it's not important for right now. Available with this tau is not available for to everything here. So we can try. You know, we are working on Internet Information Services. So can we try ISS and maybe looking for different things here, short names. Names for enumeration. So we can try to be looking for that short name enumeration. tilde, short name scanning. Oh, it's for medium. No have to exploit issue, so you can try options like that. So there is something different with tilde for or number here and now. So it means we can try something different with to ISS short name enumeration. And there's an on Microsoft availability font. The default one is, but so we can try to look for tilde for ISS tilde directory enumeration vulnerability pack. So is there any tool tilde enum, for example, like that? Yes, that's what I mean. Tilde enum.python, or should we looking for ISS and ISS short name scanner on GitHub, I mean. So as it could be two file here, so it look like too crowded. So ISS short name scanner 4 on the setting cursor commands Windows the short names with ISS with enabled. So target will be available with tilde and circumstances here. So how is it used? So ISS scanner has been used here with ISS short name scan Python. So we can try to be use it here. Maybe is it gonna be important for us? So I'm just wondering here where we have to be used for. So can we try for this ipv6 directly, or what we found before on developer is like that. It's like databases or another important things here, maybe, I don't know. So let's try to go back and git clone and view it. So we can try to go for ISS short name scanner and Python 3 and ISS short name scanner we can try directly. So right now, as important things for me, which one we have to be tried? We have to be tried directly on our URL maybe. So let's try to give it here. Okay, it's already found something. Yes, the store, and try to be looking for same thing for the store here. And so what we have to be looking for here. So maybe we should looking for databases here. So let me try to give this. And what is return? So Python 3 and ISS short name scan Python and giving here the databases and enter. So maybe it will showing us. Okay, it's done here. File as like developer, this one databases poo and co. So it has to be working like that. So that's what we have to be looking for. So our URL has to be equal like that. As developer, as blah blah blah, and databases poo connection, or content, or contacts, or command, or something like that. We have to be looking for here. So should we try here maybe to directly pull a connection or something like that? I don't know. I have no idea what we can do. Let's just try. Okay, we can try here curl or -s http, and has to be given here, or your PRSs like that, or just have to be given it directly. HTTP with port, and let me try to be go here. So what we have to be try, I'm just wondering here is poo and co as commands or connection. So let command.txt we can try. So let's try. No, there's look like nothing maybe. So we can try connection.txt. Then yes, all right. So or recon here is available to be get flag database name and user and password. Yeah, so it's really cool what we have to be found. That is really cool. All right, great. So there's important things what we have to be get is user ID and SOA and database name and user password here. So we can try to be give it here for different color. So that's really cool. I really like it. Was really cool recon. Okay. So right now, if you remember at the first, we found here is MSSQL is open for us, so we can try to be access here with this credential maybe, I don't know. So what we have to be try here. So it's what we want. We have here database name, user ID, and user password is available here for us. So we can try to be login here, MSS client, maybe locate, and where's mine? MSS client here. So there's too many for us so I generally use it for that, and MSS client.python. Great. How I was used it before is like that. Okay, let me use it like that again. Okay, so I have to be go here and try to add my user ID, and it has to be giving here this column and giving here the password, I think, if I'm remembering correct, and add here for adding here IP addresses. So let me try to be give it manually 10.30 and 38 and 11. So that's correct. So now model named impact example MSSQL shell. So okay, should we try with Windows authentication maybe, or should we try download something here? So let me try here with ChatGPT. What's wrong here? Okay, great. So let me upgrade it. Python-C. It's look like here. And okay, so we are available here. So right now our recon is ending, so with step 2 at bridge. So recon is end here and here. So because we are available to get into, now we have to be enumerate and bridge here. It's actually bridge is already done here because we leaked their username and password. So the bridge 4 was this. So bridge is already is ending here. Now it's time to enumerating. So it's for accesses the DC. So if you remember here, we are just attacker and our goal is here poo and DC, and there is 2 machines for us. So is the both of them is Windows. Okay, so it's now time go for MSSQL. So we have to be give it here new tab on MSSQL. So let me try to give MSSQL on hack tricks. Will give you all information about Microsoft SQL Server, but if you don't want to be working with this, you can try to be looking for Pentesting MSSQL. You can try to be looking for, as over here, the hack tricks, but attacks, the same things, or you can try to be go for GitHub and hacking articles and Pentest Monkey. I was using all of them, or OffSec you can try to be looking for. There's too many things for MSSQL, so you can try to be, if you are I mean on your Active Directory or on your SCP exam, to MSSQL will be really easy for you because it's easy. You can find anything about in the internet and for free. Great. Let's skip for here. What's our next turn? It's enumerating. Great. So, first, now we're available here. So right now, if you're in, so what we can try is select version. For example, here is giving us version number as Microsoft SQL Server for 2017, and let's log in here. June 15 standard Microsoft Windows Server, and we are working on Windows 10. Here you can try to look for that, and it's really important. And we are working on x64 architecture, so it will be important for us for if you're gonna be using interpreter and MSF console for get here the virtual. So I think it's really important. So let me try to be edit my notes. We have to be given here. We are working on 64 architecture and Windows Server, and for standard and the Windows 10 we are working on. So let me try to be give it in that. Great. So we can try here right now. We can try on the phone name, select username, what we're giving us. As external user, we are here. Great, so we are available to get here the username. So we are external user, so it's really important for us. Okay, we are working on external user. So can we try here SQL injection directly? Select a name from master DD both system databases. So let me try to be give it. So what's return? It's error and compatibility and poor public, incorrect syntax and external user. So what is this? External user. Oh, it's because I am not available to be copied that. Oh, that's great. Okay. So after that, select name from master databases, system databases, from master temp databases and poor public here. So we can try to be save it at or not, maybe here. So it's really important. And what is this? This poor public is also here. Oh my god. Sorry, but we can save it again. Clear. And same thing we have to be do. So let's try to be enumerating it. Select use master, for example, and get tables names, list linked servers, and select from system services. So which server name we are working on right now? So can we check it here, or should we try it manually? I don't think so. It's here. Select server name. No. Server name. No, great. So let me try to be look for select for server name. Compatibility per public. And what we have to be try maybe here. So should we look for SQL injection here maybe, or try to be get shell? I don't know. I'm just thinking about it. So the first thing I just want to be try here xpcmd shell is if it's gonna be work. Choose it. Okay, so we can try xp33 because it's generally using for something well here. Okay, so it has to be like that. xp33. Nope, it's not working. And xpcmd shell is gonna be working maybe. So let me try to be try this because it will be important. There's nothing looking like for that, so we can try. The first thing is enumerating with SQL injection maybe. Great. So we have to be try here for MSSQL will gonna be showing us too many things here maybe. So maybe it's gonna be for MSSQL Active Directory, for example. I don't know. We will see. Great. So that's what we have to be try here. So I think all of things to here, it will be available and equal for us. Maybe we have to be looking for different resource here. And there's another good things, but it's for MS console. I hate MSF console. There's cool things also. It's what I'm trying to be looking for. xpcmd shell. So what we have to be try. I mean, with files and executed scripts on Python and R. So that's actually what I'm trying to be doing here. So let's do something different, and we can try here. I think after that is master and temp databases. This one is default, and this one is default, and this one is default also. So we have to be looking for as public which one we have to focus. So let's focus this. Maybe we can try to be like something here. Great. So what we can try here, it's select. So name form system servers. So a system server name here, it's compatibility preconfig and public here. So we found available here. So is it maybe important? Maybe it's not, but I want to be say this as my not. it's not important, is important or it's not important. So I think we can try select username here for getting here to if the username is default or not for internal user, but we have to be found before. So we can try to be used here execute. So maybe it's gonna be zooming for you is more important. Executed here, we're generally using and select. Let use select to username add. We are using add for MSSQL. If you want to know, should we try poo config or poo public? So let's try for poo config first of all, and add here. It's internal user here, so it's for poo config is internal user. So okay, I think it's important. So I actually love what I found to save it. Maybe it will be important for another time. So then I think you have to be do it for you and again. So right now, as always, as clear is not working, right? That's right. So you can try what you have to be before on. Sorry. So you can try to be give it here what you have to be do before. So for example, we found here execute select username and compile at config. Well, we have to be use it. Then you can try to be just changing here. Then it will be important for you as over here. You can try to be change it here. So select name from where we can try from system. No, that was the app here. Master select name from master DBO system databases, or we can try to be looking for another one. Select name from master DBO system databases where, so we can try add here where system admin. So let's equal that. I just want to be looking for here, for example, as top one. Invalid column name is system admin. Maybe we have to be change it here. Database name as could be master system logins. Maybe can try. Okay, so it was SA. I don't know what does it mean, but it was SA. So we have found here SA as right now. Maybe it means system admin. I don't know. So we will see. Great. So we find that things stink here. So I think it's important. That was the has to be try to be looking for here. So it was which one is important for you, I think here, because they are available to be found here with system logins. So anyway, let's try and let's continue. So what we can try here, we are available to find here as A and internal user. So there is maybe two things for us to important is as A for the first one, and second one is internal user. Great. So can we look for permission and entity name here maybe? or I don't know what we have to be try. Or we try to be look for permission will be important for us. Maybe I don't know. So we have to be using here executed again. I'm sure, but after that, what we can try, I don't know. So okay, again here we can try execute it. So it's where here. This Python script is not now, I think. What we can try, I don't know. MSSQL execute usage. Or can we ask it for ChatGPT? MSSQL execute usage for entity name and permission name. Yes. Exact CPU storage. No, I use like that. I use like that. So can we try it maybe directly? Execute a stored producer function. So execute here. I'm sure we have to be used for. And so should we add it here, select and entity name and permissions name. We have to be looking for, I don't know if I'm gonna be, so if I'm gonna be writing here wrong, we can ask ChatGPT, I think. So I think it's okay. So from, it has to be where fn my permissions, right? Great. And has to be adding here null. It has to be equal for so over here we can try to be looking for is that 305? Okay, we have to add it here, server. So where we can try it, after that adds compatibility what the fuck. So let me try to ask a ChatGPT. Okay. So I don't know what we have to be try here. I don't know. I have no idea what we have to be doing here. Should we try it again? Execute it here. We are try and execute here again. We have to be do. Then has to be change it. Select entity name and permission name. From F and Y permissions. Then has to be equal null. Server. So it has to be equal here. You have to be add. And after that we can try here add, but we found here is comp deploy block book config, right? It could be like that. And add what we have to find before is over here. What's wrong here? Am I use it? Ah, okay, it's over here. So what is the correct one? So I just wonder. So it's gonna be worked here. I'm just wondering. But is must declare scalar variables. It's showing us it's not working. Okay, let's try to give it. Okay, it's not working. So maybe should we try to add here as a user here for new MSSQL for adding here. Okay, let's try to be adding here new user MSSQL add new user. Okay, creates login with password. No. Now we're not looking for it here. What is this? It's same. Add user with execute. User here. No, there is no. Okay. What is this? So we have to be adding here user. Wait a minute. Am I doing here wrong? Because of this, maybe? So let me try something. No, this one. So is this one? Maybe we have to be changed with public. This one. So what the heck? So let's try to add it here. Oh, is it same error? Anyway. So let's try to be adding here new username. So great. So let's try to add here new username. Okay, we can try with execute, I think, and execute. What we have to be do and create here login. Create login df. We can try if it as with password, which password is equal to let's try to give it here password. It's like could be hard maybe. Then we can try it like that. So what's for? Okay. I'm just wondering if it's gonna be work here. At. So let's try to be give it for public. Public, yes. Can try to be give it here for config. Let's try. executed create login df with password add compatibility to public add compatibility config. Okay, it's work. So we're available to be give it here. So it's maybe we can try for something, same thing for exec here. Execute it again. Exec sp at server role number. Role number will be df is equal system admin here. Add server role number df will can be equal here system admin, I think. System admin. Okay. We can try to add it called public for add config. Syntax df here. Okay. Is there more? This has to be equal 4. That's right. And deleting 1. What the fuck, bro? Okay, exec cp add server I think it's okay here right now. No, error again. sp at server role member df and system admin at compatibility public and compatibility config here. So what's wrong right now? I have no idea. Bro, it's not gonna be work, I'm sure. Oh, fuck you. Yes, that was I told you. So, for analyzing it, we can try to be given here. So, what's wrong? Execute it. Execute. Exec and sp add server role member. df has to be system admin here, right? Add compatibility per public. Add compatibility per config here. So there's look like nothing wrong. So should we add this one here? Maybe. I have no idea what's wrong. have really no idea what's wrong here. The first one was work. So that was first one here. Let's try to give it. Already exist. Okay. That's actually what I'm trying to do for an hour. So let me try to send it mine. Okay. So HTTPS files FM generally used for 5Y 76 PS. So that was what I'm trying to for. What the hell? Fuck you, man. Then it's over the fun here. I don't know what was is wrong, but it was wrong. It was actually is wrong here. So it was also work. So right now I think we can try to login with this credential. Isn't? So let's try to give it here. Do it same thing. With our new username and new password, TV, and our new username was osman.iram.256. Okay, we're in, and we are right now is DBO's master here. So that was really cool, and we're available to be get here at the new username. So right now we can try to be back for all for MSSQL and try to be looking for the server name or something like that. Select name from master system databases. Let's try this. Okay, so we're available to find here another database is available for us. So we can try to copy that. And where is it? So we can try to save it here. And there's another thing that could be here, the flag. Okay. What the hell? Okay, and model temp databases and MS databases could be another important things. We could be here, so it's not important. So let's try select from flag.dbo.flag. Okay, it's not flag, it's flag. That's right. Great. So we are able to find another flag is over here. So that was very cool. And so right now we have poo. Okay, our flag is over here. I want to save it because of submitted it of later. Great. So in the backtrack, what we can try. So XP CMD shell can we try right now? XP CMD shell. And who am I? Can we try? An error is line SQL service blocked access to system XP CMD shell here. So we can try enable it, enable XP and CMD shell directly. We can try show advanced option change from 0 to 1. Run the reconfigure statement to install and great. Can we looking for SP, right? Configure for show at okay, what we have to be try here, show advanced options. So let me try to be pasty here. As info as line, its configuration of show as changed from 1 to 1. And run the reconfigure statement to install. So that was great. There's another things we got. I think it's important. We can try our XP CMD shell and SP configure to. So let's XP CMD shell to 1 here. Okay. Database admins will be notified. All right. So to line is times transaction ended with trigger, the batch has been aborted. So I think it's important for us for what we can look for. Attempt to enable XPC shell didactic database administrator will be notified. And another line, it's showing us the transaction ended is 3 job. The batch has been aborted. So can we try disable it? So let's try disable trigger and alert XP CMD shell on all server. Okay, it was work. So it's work, it's really important. It's work. So anyway, it's work. So we can try enable XP CMD shell here, enable XP CMD shell. Then yes, okay, we are available to be get here XP CMD shell. We can try XP CMD shell, who am I? And yes, okay, it's work and we are anti-services MSSQL pool public here right now. Alright, so it was really cool and we are able to get here. So right now maybe we can try to get here to maybe, you know what, it's reverse shell or something like that. But if you remember here, we was try as sp execute external script here. So we were available to be showed it before. It's over here what we have to be what I'm talking about. So great. What we can try, it's something what we have to be do here with before. We can try here execute sp execute external script language -m python script. It's for import get pass and get user. So before that all, we can try to who am I? And Python script and print import operating system. Who am I? I don't know why it's not work. What the fuck? Is it changing here? Now it's changing. What the hell? It's changing right now after that. We are right now is compatibility and put public 01. So it was important because if you remember, it was what I have to be go for is put DC here. Great. What we can try right now. Should we try get here reverse shell maybe? So that's actually what I'm talking about. I mean, not this one, but this look like really different for us. So we can try import operation system. The host name we can try here. Okay, let's try. Should add this maybe? Nope. Or should we modify that? Print import operation system here. Maybe we have to be non-print import operation system here, and let's try giving here host name. Is it could be like that maybe? Nope. So how was has to be look like? Or should we try here directly? Okay. Great. So it was actually giving us username and password. That was really cool what I'm trying to be doing. So we can try to be save it. It was easy to be get it. It was really easy to be get it here. So should we try it directly at maybe Windows remote machine? Evil test Windows or maybe gonna work, I don't know. But is there any? But there is no pod is available to be do it, I think. Right? Yes. So we have to be do it more at SQL server here. So great. We was try here, and we was here put public. I'm just wondering here what we can do. Should we try to be ready here? Hostname? Maybe? I don't know, let's try. So we have to be executed extensive language with Python script and print import here with operation system, I think. Import operation system here, host name, maybe there is firewall, we don't know. So let's try. Oh my god. Nope. So should we try ipconfig? What the hell? Oh my god, I have to be do it. Shut the fuck up. Import operation system. Here we are just try reading host name, right? It's compatibility. What about ipconfig? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Shit. That's what I'm talking about here. So it's compatibility is a host name here. We know. But at Windows IP configuration, it's important things what we found. For example, at ipv6 IP addresses, we found did beef. Is it something like that? Default gateway. As what we're talking about, default gateway here, maybe. Should we try mmap? So for sure. So I actually why no idea what to be different here, but we can try netstat. I think netstat -nao. That's why I'm talking about. You know, public. It's 80, it's 43, and it's over here. Its PID is 4 for us. But, you know, maybe there is a different IP address or what? So let's try to be looking for with ipconfig one more time. That's what we talk about here and what we found. There is that beef. As for ipv6 addresses, so should we try like beef, or what about 1000? So there is nothing. So that was our second target. Oh my god, what a room. What a room. What a room, bro. That was really cool. Oh my god. So it has to be our next target here. Oh my goodness. What a room. What a room, bro. But there is an yes, there's an target we can available. So I think we have to add it on nano etc house. Oh my goodness. So we have to be added here like that, I think, right? Yes. So what we have to be give for username is host name is compatibility. Okay, compatibility, right? It could be like that. So right now I think we can try with this credential at evil windows RM and -i compatibility. What we have to be give it add host name, and -u is administrator, and -p we have to be give it what we found on MSSQL. Is there something wrong? It's compatibility. Should we add it like that? Or should we add it for I don't know. Is it could be like that? What the fuck? Or should we try it directly, maybe? Here. So Should I ask it? Really? It was a really hard room. Or should I add it here? I don't know. Help me. What's wrong? Should I try like that? What the hell? Yeah, what the hell? Bro, you fucking doing same thing here. Okay, I think it's gonna be work. I don't know it's gonna be work, but we're just waiting for it. So I think it's not gonna be work, or what the fuck? So let me try to go and games here one more time. We are with us for poo, and it works here. What? Okay. So should I try here ipconfig one more time? Great. Then we found here it's giving us this one. So let me try to give it here mf-p and -6 -ln ipv6 scan. So that was what I found. So I think it's gonna be work here. So maybe we are we can try to be close it. Then here I think we can go nano and etc host and try to edit it. Poo vol6.htp and we can try with that again, or if it's not gonna be work, I would try with ubi poo6.htp. Okay, it's gonna be work, I think. Or you can try Windows RM shell with upload Ruby. That's what I'm talking about here. Okay, we can try it. It was cool, maybe. cd home elite documents poo. We can try to go and let me zoom in and Sublime tags and Windows RAM shell with upload Ruby. Great. So as for sure, we have to be change it here. New is HTTPS, now HTTP is ipv6.htp, and for as a 5985 Wisman, transport is SSL, and username is for sure what we found before here is administrator, and the password we have to be give is over here. Ruby Windows RAM with upload Ruby here. Oh, there is no Wisman, that's why. What the hell? Should we try just looking for that? It's filtered. Oh my god, that's why. Oh my goodness. We did something wrong here. That's why working. Right? That's for sure. So can we try again? XP cmd shell and who am I? Is we are here is put public, and xpd cmd shell is work for us. That's actually what we try. So can we try xp cmd shell type c inpop root web config. Access is needed for us right now. So we have to try what we tried before is over there. It's for is testing on MSSQL. What we actually worked before. What was it? Exact SP. Oh, it's CP exact. Okay, it was here. That's for sure. And we have to be work here. Maybe is a parent. We have to be direct in operating system. And who am I? Okay, so can we try it? We typed it? No. Or should we try here to type type and C and pop double root here maybe. Okay, it's available to be. Look at that. That's for sure. So that's what we have to be using here as always. An operating system, we can try and stat dash no. That's what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is over here is Wismon. So is as like ipconfig. You can try to add here. Maybe is it gonna be work? It's open for us right now, so it means this was we have to be at etc host. So that was really disappointment for me, but anyway, we just actually learn here. So it's not important. And so let's try again. Oh my goodness, man, what the hell is this? Okay, we are in right now, and we can try to go back. What the hell is this, bro? CD desktop type, or is there anything we have to look for there? Flag. Okay, not there. Oh my god, my mental is boom. Flag.txt. Great. So it's available now, or enumerating is ending. Now we're on exploiting. Great. Let's prune it. Let's go for it. I think we can try here to give something. Because we are available to be get into. Great. Right now it's time to be lateral movement or something like that. Yeah, right. I think it will be hard, but anyway, we have to do it. So let's do. Okay. So what we can try. Should we try? We are also as administrator here, so this is not meaning privilege escalation. So we actually boom it x Kali. This one is boom, right? Yes. So it's boom. it's boom right now, so we have to go for administrator here. So can we try with same things for, so I'm just wondering, is it available for MSSQL also? So can we try, I mean? Okay, it's filtered, right? Or we can go for it. So I mean, should we try to be logging it with this maybe? Where am I? Administrator. I don't know what. Should we try here this? I'm not sure. So it was could be here, and we have to add this password. For ipv6.htp. Nope. So we can try. It's open right now, but we cannot access this. should we go for another user here? Oh, there is more user. Okay, great. So should we go this one? Maybe class cd downloads, or is it ending? I don't know. Or maybe should we try directly? Kerberos PowerShell on program data for XPCMD shell. I don't know, it was really hard to be understanding firstly. So let's try to look for invoke for carburet PowerShell file. Okay, so let's try to be added here. Civilian tags again, and invoke Kerberos the PowerShell one. And I think we can try to go here program data. Okay, there's nothing. Okay, clear it. Upload Elliot go. Yeah. So I think we have to be set my preference for disable real-time monitoring. It could be equal to true. Should we try add SQL right now? XP CMD shell gonna be work, right? PowerShell the C import module C program data. Okay, here which file is over here? Invoke Kerberos.PowerShell1. That's actually what I'm trying to be give it here. invoke here Kerberos, and output format we have to pick here output format hashcat. Really, we're available to be gathered here. So what a room, man! What a room! It was really hard. It's not for beginners, for exactly. So at here, we are available to font hash for two user here. Okay. It's put admin and it's put HR. So we can try to be cracked it. Admin hash here, right? Hashes.kirby. Okay. Wait a minute. How can I fix it? I mean, remove empty line, something like that. Sikmenin amındamın siktireceğim şimdi senin orospu çocuğu. Maybe it's gonna be working correct like that. John new hashes Kirby dash wordless user share WordPress rec.txt. After the what's the password it's giving, it was just SQ and 5T4R for it, right? Yes. So that's actually what we have to be thinking of over here. Is for cat new hashes Kirby is for put admin here, right? That was what I'm thinking about. It has to be equal here intranet po 00 admin. So that was to be equal here. That what I'm actually talking about. It's about here. So I think we can try uploading PowerShell. Locate Power with the PowerShell 1 and let's CP here. Uploading here right now what I'm talking about. So we had to be uploading like that, I think. Then we can available to be adding new user with what we found before in a hash cat, and we can try to be get password here with this. Okay. So it was here what we found. We have to be a new chat. Add this with new creds at PowerShell with pass and cred. So actually what I'm talking about here, to use another password, we have to add like add domain group member. Yes, to username, it's not actually we have to be username here. So we have to be just giving it the pass. Pass is could be equal to convert to secure string. So we have to be giving it the pass what we thought before. It's over here. And as could be is for sure as plain text dash force. Yes. Is something wrong because of this? Okay, so right now we have to be given an credential and new object system management and automation dot PowerShell credentials that's intranet poo and pu00 admin here. So, and the password is what we give as pass here. Okay, great. So we can try add this for domain group member as dash identify domain admins here. Then we can available to be get here dash members is which one is equal pu00 and admin. Then we have to be given here credentials, and you know our credential is equal to we have to be given the facts is correct here. So what's wrong here? At the main group member dash identify domain admins, the members is pu00 admin and credential dash correct. I think there's nothing wrong, but oh, for sure we have to be import module. That's for sure what we actually forgetting here. Go with it and go with creates and at domain group member identify is like that here. That's what I'm talking about. Is it gonna be work? We have to be just waiting, I think. Okay, that's what I'm talking about here. So if it's faulty here, lateral moment, then we can try to be for to be available to be get here. So right now we just have to be useful and use. Okay, and if I'm gonna be talking about DC internet dash poo C credential, we have to be give it here. And dash u internet again dash poo p00 admin, what we actually give it here with the credentials. Then you can give your password what before as over here, not this one what I'm talking about. Password is not correct. Fuck off. Oh, it's about this one maybe. Then yes, okay, so we are available to be command as successfully updating here. So that's actually what I'm talking about here. So right now we can available to be get dc01. So for example, you can try type and dc internet poo c users, for example, or we can try dir, for example, here. That's what I'm talking about. So as mr, should we try to get him password or something like that? Anyway, we are available to be get here in the DC internet pool here. So we are available to be get into here. So that I'm talking about, and copy that and paste it here. So we are available to boom here as poo admin. So that was really cool, and that's for sure it was really hard. So it's not for beginners, so it was really hard room, I think. So, and it was really cool, and thank you for watching. It was my first video of Active Directory.